little treasure in my mother's womb. If mom suddenly screams, or mom and dad are having a fierce argument, I feel so uncomfortable. Every time I encounter such a situation, I get so scared that I can't help but gesticulate wildly. The fetal movement suddenly became very intense. It's like being suddenly startled. My little heart is also beating very fast. It's more than 160 times per minute. Why is this happening? It turns out that the high frequency sound is above 85 decibels. It will pass through the amniotic fluid and stimulate my little ears. Then your body will secrete a lot of stress hormones. It makes me feel very nervous. So, mom and dad should give. I have a quiet and cozy little world of my own.